Coldside because I got to dice that all up, so I need some aluminum stock for that. 16 gauge. I picked up a 12 foot of it and I'm gonna put it in my juke, so that's gonna be a real treat. So we'll see how that goes here in just a moment. I just purchased 12 foot of aluminum for my Coldside, so this is fine. There's no problems. No problem whatsoever. Anyone want to go jousting? Question is, how much do you hate blue anodized fittings? Yes, the answer is yes. This much, to the point where I'm gonna paint it. Ran into a slight situation with my Accusump where I can't in any way get this thing on, which is not a big deal. I got a fix for that, and this is the fix. Oops. All right, got this mounted with the electronic check valve, and got this end opened up, and it seems to be working out just fine. Yeah. And I got my gauge on this with a 90, so yeah, you can see it's actually quite compact in here. Next thing's up, I am going to throw a couple these two straights. I can't even see, it's getting packed. Oil cooler, that corner has to go into the bottom of this makeshift black tea, and then I'll be all set for my line coming out this side to go back to the oil pan. Yeah, it's quite full. Okay, I got the 10 line in there, and it is definitely tight, but it fits. That's what she said. And let's see if I can get in here a little bit. Well, let's go into the oil cooler down to the T. And it's just a little short line that I had to make. So last line is going to be from this guy to the oil pan, and then from the oil pan to this guy, and that'll be the end of my oil circuit. So man, there's a end to this road for the oiling circuit. So next step for me is actually get a bunch of pies cut for my Coldside. Last time you saw a video of aluminum coming in. That's the 12 foot residing next to my car, because this guy, which is our industrial Kalamazoo, shout out to Kalamazoo, that's where I'm from, is not working. So there's a, come on around here. And this guy, oh, I got open from the other side, whatever. We need a belt. Yeah, that's a problem. There's hydraulics that need to be set up on this, because it has a hydraulic arm that lets it down. And what else? I think that's about it. Oh yeah, it doesn't turn on for reasons unknown to me, so I am not an electrician, so yeah, that's got to be fixed. I had to take matters into my own hands. The other bandsaw will not be ready in time, so I need to keep forward progress. So to do that, I had purchased, at a discount, I may say, because winter deals and such, this bandsaw, and the juke is putting in some work. So I will be able to start getting some pies going with my, was it LPS Fab? I'll show you that here in a different video when I get the bandsaw set up. So excited about this. Okay, I ran into a slight problem here. Apparently, I I tend to read the directions sometimes, and going through it, there you have a bolt list, and you know, like I said, sometimes I do my due diligence and separate everything out. And from the factory for Harbor Freight, apparently getting the correct bolt count is optional for this. So, you know, +1 for you know, M6 and -1 or 2 for the M8 bolts. You know, who counts? Not them. So I guess I'll have to, whatever, I'll make it work. It's just slightly annoying. Apparently this was a 2-man job, so you're supposed to have someone pick it up and put it onto the base. And I picked it up and put it onto the base, and it fucking folded the metal like, just like it was butter or something. I don't know. Take your pick of something that was weak and flimsy. So I used the cardboard box, flipped it on the side to improvise, adapt, and overcome. Alright, this thing's a serious piece of shit, so I gotta take this back. This ain't gonna work. So, let's see if I can get in there. Take a look at that blade. You know, I don't expect a ton from Harbor Freight, but, you know, I expect it to work a little bit, you know, for its design purpose. This damn thing, I can't use it with I can't even think of the name of it. It's a LPS fab tools, which I specifically bought for doing the 90s on my on this aluminum here. So after a few test cuts, I had my buddy come out and try helping. It didn't work out. What I was talking about previously, the LPS fab. This is a jig that makes perfect 9 degrees, and it just, forgot what it was. It just didn't fit into that bandsaw because it's a little tiny guy. So I'm gonna return this, and then I guess the best bet is to either, they said that they're gonna have this other bandsaw going next week maybe, so we'll see on that. And this turd, that thing, I am returning that piece of junk. I guess if anything, I'll spend more money and get a little bit better product. So yeah, disappointment.